Charles, and I have the hottest ovens in town and the juiciest chickens. And today I'm going to make a special chicken dish for you called chicken pop. And to do so, we have a wonderful chicken here that I'm going to prepare. We need to use lots and lots of butter. Yes, just cover the whole chicken with butter. Chickens just love lots of butter, especially between the legs. Oh, excuse me. Oh dear. Oh, never mind. They won't know the difference. Oh, but before I continue, I must have a little nip. Oh, a little nip is much better than a lick and tuck, ladies. So, getting back to the chicken. Hello, chickie. Little chickie. Now, don't squirm here. Now you must to make the chicken pop. We're going to use lots of popcorn. Yes, a little bit for luck. Yes, now we're going to stuff the chicken with lots and lots of popcorn. Get in there now, nice. And we'll take a cork, to make sure that it's in there. Now, don't worry about when it's done. When the popcorn pops, the ass will fall out. Bon appetit!